Hey, John Schuster here with Coldwell Banker. Did you know that we sell under a quarter of our homes in as-is condition? And we have found a way for our clients to maximize their sale price without having to do any updates or repairs. Folks, this marketing approach works great for people that don't have a lot of time or resources to put into their property. Many times there's a lot of updates and repairs needed. We have found that sellers can actually net more money by selling as is. Plus, they can save a lot of the time and hassle. Folks, we got resources that can help you every step of the way from every stage of the home selling process. If you're thinking this selling option might work for you or your situation, contact us before you invite a cash offer investor through your home. You want to maximize your equity and make the most money on your home sale. Do not accept a below market offer. Be sure you have proper representation. Contact us today to learn more about this process and to see what your home's worth could be in today's market. You can start the process by going to johnschustergroup.com, or you can text or call me anytime at 952-222-9000. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. JohnSchusterGroup.com